Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi kids, welcome back again in Math Year 3 with me Miss Dewi. Today we're gonna learn about our chapter about number. We're gonna talk about comparing number and arrange number. What should we learn first? Now, if we talk about comparing number, we're gonna have these two words, greater than and smaller than. Greater than means bigger, smaller than means smaller. So remember that the symbol of the arrow to the right side always stands for greater than. And then the symbols of arrow goes to the left side stand for smaller than. Now let's take a look how to use it. First, let's compare number. If we have a two set of number, let's count it. First, the 1000, how many hundreds? 300, 20 and 9. So this is a number of 1329. Let's compare with set B. How many thousand? 2326. So we have here 2326. Now which one is the greater? So then we know that 2326 is greater than 1329. In other words, we can write down using the arrow. 2326 is bigger than. Look, the arrow goes to the right side. It means greater than 1329. Or else we can say set B is greater than set A. Get it? Okay, let's continue. We have another set of number. Let's compare set C. How much it is? Do you still remember? How many? 3,144. Awesome. So here we have. And then we have set D. How many thousand? 1,426. So here we are, 1,426. So which one is the smaller? So now we know the answer is 1,426 is smaller than 3,144. Or else we can write down with the arrow goes to the left side. So now we know 1,426 is smaller than 3,144. Or else we can say set D is smaller than set C. Okay, next. So now we need to compare the number using the sign of greater than goes to the right side and smaller than goes to the left side. Look at the number. Here we have 139 compared into 391. Greater or smaller? This one? Yes, smaller than this one. So we have the arrow goes to the left. Very well. 242 compared to 244. Greater or smaller? Yes, it is greater. So now we need to compare the number using the sign of greater than goes to the right side and smaller than goes to the left side. Look at the number. Here we have 139 compared into 391. Greater or smaller? This one? Yes, smaller than this one. So we have the arrow goes to the left. Very well. 242 compared to 244. Greater or smaller? Yes, it is greater. Great. Now, we learn about arrange the number in order. They ask to arrange the number in order, begin with the smallest, and they give us these three different number. So how we arrange? First, we are compare. The first is the thousand. Look, 6, 6 and 6. So they're the same, so we move into the hundred. Look at the 100. 3, 0, and 7. Look, this is different, right? So now we arrange the number from the smallest. So the 3, 0, and 7. Which one is the smallest? Yes, the one with 100 with 0. So it is 659. And then 3 and 7, which one is smaller? Yes, this one. So next is 6,359. And then the last one will be 6,749. Very well. So now you know how to arrange. First you compare the biggest. This is the 1,000 is the same. And you goes to the 100 because the 100 is different. So you compare the 100. Next, if the question, arrange the number in order, begin with the greatest. Look, the number is still the same, but they ask from the greatest. So which one is the biggest? Yes. Oh, they give us another number here. So they ask to arrange, begin with the greatest. So let's compare the first number, 1,000, 8, 8, and 8. It's the same, so we cannot compare. And then how about the 100? 3, 5, and 9. Are they different? Yes, definitely. So let's compare, guys. So which one is the greatest? 3, 5, and 9. Okay, so 9 is the greatest. So 8,995. Continue with 5 or 3. Yes, 5. So 800, 555. And the smallest will be 8,355. Okay. Now, let's ask to arrange the number in order from the greatest to the smallest. Look at this number. Let's take a look. We have 100 here. 6, 8, 2, 3, 9, and 7. Are they different? Yes, they are. So let's compare based on the 100. So they ask from the greatest to the smallest. So 6, 8, 2, 3, 9, and 7. Which one is the greatest? Absolutely 9. So it starts with 916. After 9, let's take a look. Yes, we have 8 there. 881. After 8, we got 727. And then we have 6 here. 675. We move into 319. And the last one is 248. There you are. So this is the arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, guys, as we know that math is about practice and practice, so never give up. Okay, thank you very much for joining. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.